Catherine Parker at the Hyatt Regency in Green Bay, Wisconsin. This is my room. Let's take a look. This is room 805. It's on the 8th floor. It's an all-suite property. There's a work desk, television. This is a unique space. Full of bar stools. It's a bar area. Large sitting area. Lights. Let's take a look in here. There's a refrigerator. And a microwave. And a sink. There's not any storage. That's just solid. Their coffee. You can see all these coffees. Nice bucket. And here is our bathroom. Granite countertop, lots of light on the mirror. There's also a makeup mirror. It's a shower area. And pharmacopoeia. Shampoos, conditioners, toiletries. Here is our Hyatt Regency bed with white linens. Looks like it's got a upholstered backboard, lots of space, with charger. That's nice. That's a large television for secondary television. There's a mirror in the corner. Some hotel light. Some storage. Cube. Here is the closet area. Extra bedding. And then an iron board and it's a hairdryer. And this room actually has it's a little balcony. And so this is the balcony area with room for 2 chairs and a table. And there's our view from the Hyatt Regency Green Bay.